In this recording, my awesome learners, I will show you the solution for 1.2.2. So in this one, we are required to prepare the equity and liabilities section of the statement of financial position, which is the balance sheet. So by so doing, so this is formula 16 marks. So guys, we have answer booklet esizoyisebenzisa. So the answer booklet amanye amounts already sesifakeliwe wona. So now since the equity and liabilities section only, so we are not preparing the full statement, full balance sheet, but only the section of equity and liabilities abafuna siyenze. So now uma senza equity and liabilities, we have ordinary shareholders equity owakhiwa izinto eziwu-2. Ordinary shareholders equity consists of ordinary share capital and retained income. So now we're gonna check if we do have these balances with trial balance. And guys, mind you, in the balance sheet we always disclose the closing balance. So share capital, so ordinary share capital, there is a question mark, so this one is not given, but we do have retained income at the end. Guys, remember all these balances are closing balance. So the one that we are given in this 2023 column, these are closing balance unless otherwise stated. So we have retained income of 970,750. So retained income, this is given. So the balance is 970,750. So now guys, sesizokwazi ukuthola the ordinary share capital. So ordinary share capital, we're gonna subtract 5,870,750 no 970,750. So this is the balancing figure actually. So 5,870,750 minus 970,750, I'm getting 4.9. So share capital is 4.9. Then guys, we are done with the ordinary shareholders equity part. And then now we are doing a section yama liabilities. So non-current liabilities. Remember, kuma non-current liabilities, we disclose long-term liabilities. So we have a mortgage loan. We have a mortgage loan. So we are going straight to the statement that we received from the bank. So we have the mortgage loan closing balance. So the closing balance, so balance at the end for this loan as per the loan statement is 1,125,000. This is the closing balance. So mortgage loan, the closing balance is 1,125,000. But we know that something was mentioned here. So the loan balance will be reduced to 25,000 in the next financial year. So now the balance of 625, this is the balance that will be paid in the next financial year. So this balance is payable within 12 months. So now uma sikhuluma ngama non-current liabilities, those are liabilities are payable after 12 months. If liabilities is payable within 12 months, then leyo balance leyo ayisabi non-current, ibisiba i-current. So because this balance is payable within 12 months, we're gonna take it out, we're gonna remove this from our long-term debt, long-term liabilities. So this balance of 625, we are subtracting it from non-current liability because I qualify ukuba a long-term liability because it is payable within 12 months. So all debts or all liabilities are payable within 12 months. Siwafaka kuma current liabilities. liabilities. So lapha yana ku current liabilities sizoba no current portion of loan. So nangiya lapha ya current portion of loan. So because le loan is payable within 12 months, isi-deserve ukuhlala ngaphansi kwama-current liabilities. So same balance 625,000. So this balance siya-remove from ekubeni i-non-current because ayisa-qualify ukuba i-non-current. Ama-non-current liabilities lama-liabilities okusakude ukuthi siwaseklishe siwakhokhele. So uma i-liabilities sesizoyiseklisha within the next 12 months, siyayi-remove from ama-non-current sizoyifaka kuma-current, ibe yi-current portion of loan. So guys, I hope I do make sense. So now sesoshaya-ke la i-total, so kusho ukuthi ibhalance esele esayi-long term liability kuzoba how much? So we punch, we calculator, kuphuma u500,000, 500,000. 500,000 is still ibhalance esayi-long term ekusazodlula over 12 months before siseklisha. But lega 625 sizoyiseklisha within 12 months, siya-remove from non-current sifake kuma-current as current portion of loan. Then bese siza ku-trade and other payables. So la sizo-check ibhalance yama-creditors. Do we have creditors balance? We trial balance. So we are going to the trial balance. So in the trial balance, we're gonna search for creditors control. So nangiya creditors control, we have a balance of 448,725. So we show our workings way to 448,725, and then we add. So kunezinto engizofuna engizofisa ukukukhumbuza zona-ke ebengingayimentionanga kade sisenze income statement, but ezoba nama-implications athile kwi-balance sheet. So asike sicheck la kuma-additional information. So like the first one, senze inakhuza la straight in the old vehicle, sathola the new one. So the newer model ibi costa u616,500. And then lendala si trade ine nge-value ka-105. And lana akushiwo ukuthi angithi siyazi ukuthi uma siyo-trade in ukuthi ufike utshele ukuthi okay, the vehicle oyifunayo ine-price engaka noma ine-cost engaka, of which in this case sitsheliwe ukuthi it's 616,500. Bese benze evaluation kweyethu ukuthi lesiletha endala isiwetha how much. So le yethu ibisiwetha u105. So base bethi-ke bazothatha le yethu bese kwi-cost price leya leni sesiyithathayo entsha sizogcwalisa ngo-cash. So lana asitshelwanga ukuthi cash was paid, so we gonna assume ukuthi le entsha esitrade ngayo siyithathe on credit, but sikweleta malini for yona. So this is what we're gonna do. So sithathe the new vehicle cost us 616,500, thina sabanikeza endala ene-value ka-105. So kusho ukuthi imali ekumele siyigcwalise ukuze sithole lene entsha, uma angithi if besinga-trade in bekumele sivele sikhokhe nje u616,500, but ngenxa yokuthi sihambise endala, le ndala i-value yale ndala izo-reducer leya amount yale nentsha. So uma simayinaza laphana kusala noma kuphuma ibhalansi ka-511,500. So le siyikhokha cash. Leya value ka-105 sinikezele nge-vehicle endala, old vehicle. So we given inakhuza i-dealer i-vehicle endala ebiwetha 105, and then kusho ukuthi ibhalance esalayo ka-511 kumele siyikhokhe ibe cash. So ayikho-ke information esitshela ukuthi usukhokhile ucash, so kusho ukuthi we are still owing leya balance leya. So masikweleta siyazi ukuthi kufomeka ama-creditors abantu sibakweletayo. So we are owing i-dealer leya ya-car dealership u511 esingakawukhokhi, 511,500, because asakawukhokhi ucash wakhona. So we assume ukuthi we are still owing them. And then size kwi-issue kwi-income statement sike senza i-rent. Uyakhumbula ukuthi kune-rent esi-receive in advance. So sizo-check-a kwi-income statement. Sine-rent ka-March esi-receive in advance. So once guys sa-receive imali in advance, kusho ukuthi lo muntu osikhokhele in advance sesiyamukweleta. So we received i-rent ka-March obeku-14,025. Angisho umuntu ngoba esirentele in advance usho ukuthi awakofika uMarch kodwa usewukhokhelile. If engadecide ukuthi nawe ngoMarch sengifuna ukumove out from these premises, sekumele simbuyisele back imali yakhe bese eyikhokhile in advance. So once umuntu wasikhokhela in advance, lo muntu use creator i-obligation sesiyamukweleta thina, because if kwenzeke shintsha umqondo we have to refund him. So income received in advance guys i-liability, so ingena ngaphansi kwi-note lika-trade and other payable. So kulo leli note sizofaka leya rent esi-receive in advance ka-14,025. So we're gonna add $14,025, and then siphinde sikhumbule futhi yakhumbula kunama-directors awu-2 esingawakhokhelanga inyanga ka-Feb. So imali esingayikhokhile imali ngoba singayikhokhi nje sisayikweleta. So nange laphayana besitsheliwe ukuthi ama-directors fees for February are outstanding for director abawu-2 ebesingakabakhokheli. So siyicalculate-ile sathola u-70,000. So this 7,000 is still outstanding besingakawukhokhi. So ngoba singakawukhokhi we are still owing laba directors ayi-2. So isikweleti accrued expense. Enye into inothi lika-trade and other payables uzofaka ama-creditors, ufake income received in advance, ufake ama-accrued expense. Izo zonke izinto ey'ngena kuleli note. So if i-expense singawuyikhokheli siyibiza nge-accrued expense, kusho ukuthi we are owing lo muntu emele simkhokhele. So in this case we are owing ama-directors u-70,000. So masi-add zonke-ke lezi sishaye i-calculator 448,725 plus 511,500 plus 14,025 plus 70,000 kuphuma i-total ka 1,044,000. So this is the total esiyitholayo yama creditors, trade and other payable. So bese sifake the current portion of loan size uSARS income tax. So uSARS usitaxe emalini. So kwi-income statement sifakelwe already la ukuthi uSARS i-assessment ayenzile iveza ukuthi i-tax asicharge yona eka 242,040. So sesizoyicomparisha ke nama-provisions esiwenzile ukuthi thina sikhokhe how much upfront. So uSARS usicharge i-tax ka 242,040, and then thina sizo-check ama-provisional payments esiwenzile ukuthi bese ekhona yini ama-provisional payments, imali ye-tax esiyikhokha upfront leyo. So nangiya uSARS income tax provisional tax payment u-196. So thina imali bese siyikhokhile already kuSARS u-196, then uSARS was-charger u-242. So le esiyikhokhile isashoda, ishorted by how much? So sesizothi le esichargiwe noma esitaxiwe as per i-assessment ka-SARS minus le esikhokhe upfront ka 196 and 40. So kusho ukuthi the balance is still outstanding here. There is SARS payable balance of how much? So we calculator uma ngishaya la kuphuma u46,000. We are still owing SARS u46,000. Le esikhokhile iyashoda because isikhokhe less kanti i-tax yethu ibe more. So we are still owing SARS. Kuyenzeka ukuthola ukuthi uSARS uyena osekweleta thina. If sikhokhe more then i-tax yethu yaba less. In that case sizoba no SARS refund okuyi-asset leyo. Ifaka kuma-asset if ikanjalo because usho ukuthi uSARS uyena osekweleta thina. Then sizo-check-ke the last information engingayifundanga la, cause ethinta ama-dividends abenga-affecteka ama-dividend kade sisenza income statement, now asezo-affecteka ngoba kuzomele siyithole le balance iyongena kwi-balance sheet. So ama-dividends kuthiwa the total dividends for the year amounted to 410. Into okumele uyazi uma ukhuluma total dividends wakhiwa izinto eziwu-2. So total dividends consist of interim and final. So uma sinikezwe inakhuza total dividends la ka 410, sizomfaka la 410, and then base bethilana this total dividend esonikeziwe ka 410 includes an interim dividend of 160. So interim dividend sonikeziwe u160, osho ukuthi i-unknown esingenayo lana kuzoba u-final. So interim dividend sonikeziwe u160. So what we do not have here is final dividend, but ngenxa yokuthi siyazi ukuthi utotal simthola ngokuhlanganisa lo nalo, kusho ukuthi sothi total minus lo bese kuphuma u-final dividend. So final dividend wala kuzoba how much? So umuthi 410 minus 160 kuphuma u250,000. So now final dividend kusuke lama dividends esiwadeclare at the end of the year esisuke singake wakhokheli. So sitsheli okay abasho, but kumele ukwazi lokho ukuthi u-final dividend suke asiwakhokheli ngalowo nyaka, siwakhokhela ngonyaka olandelayo. So kuphela lo nyaka esikuwona siwakweleta. So lokho sikubiza kwi-balance sheet le amount ka 250 sibiza ngo shareholders for dividends. So kumele wazi ukuthi shareholders for dividends kusuke ungama-final dividend, ama-dividend esiwakweleta ekupheleni konyaka noma sisuke sithembisile ama-shareholders ukuthi sizobakhokhela wona the following year, sisuke siwadeclarishile. So ama-final dividend, so that is shareholders for dividend. How much? 250,000. Now sesizo-eda-ke la i-total yethu 1 million, wa-trade and other payables 1,044,000, current portion of loan 625, 46 SARS, shareholders for dividends 250. So must add that bazosinika i-total ka-current liabilities, which is 1,965,250. Then sizobuyisa la phezulu le total ka 500,000 kuzomele ingene la ku-non-current liabilities, because now sesifuna ukuthola ke total equity and liabilities. So ukuze sithole total equity and liabilities, we're gonna take ordinary shareholders equity simhlanganise no non-current liabilities simhlanganise, so siya-eda. So mas eda la kuzobe sesithola ke laba boyi-3. So bese sithola i-total equity and liabilities. Ibalance yakhona I am getting 8,336,000. So guys, ngokwenza kanje nabuka we have and lower 16 marks kalula kanjalo. So guys, please, if you have any question, you can ask, you can drop your question in my comment sections, and then I will attend to your questions. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.